Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at something a bit different, a musical instrument, specifically the VBDEFRT Trumpet set, which is described as a brass cavalry horn. This isn't just any trumpet. It's presented as a professional musical instrument designed with the adult beginner in mind. Right out of the box, you get the trumpet itself and a mouthpiece, so it seems ready to go. The manufacturer, VBDEFRT, emphasizes that they've paid close attention to every detail, from the materials used all the way through to the final assembly and quality inspection. They state it's made of selected high-grade materials, specifically brass, which is standard for trumpets, but they highlight its practicality and long serving time. One interesting detail they point out is how the bulge is made. They use a polishing and grinding process, which they say makes it beautiful and helps prevent rust. Looking at the instrument, you can see that attention to detail in the finish. The overall workmanship is described as perfect, suggesting a high level of craftsmanship went into its creation. The promise is that you'll have a good using experience when you blow it, which is, of course, crucial for any musical instrument. They also mention it's lightweight. The listed weight is 200 grams, which seems incredibly light for a brass trumpet. So that's something to keep in mind. Perhaps it's a very compact design or the weight is listed incorrectly, but based on the information provided, it's positioned as easy to handle. The target audience is clearly stated as the adult beginner. This suggests it's designed to be approachable and suitable for someone just starting their musical journey with the trumpet. Despite being aimed at beginners, they describe the sound it produces as penetrating, powerful, and vibrating. That's a bold claim for a beginner instrument, implying it doesn't compromise on sound quality even while being accessible. So, if you're an adult looking to pick up the trumpet, or perhaps specifically interested in the sound of cavalry horn, this VBDEFRT set seems to offer a carefully crafted option. It's made from quality materials, boasts perfect workmanship, and is designed to produce a strong sound, all while being presented as a lightweight and practical choice for those new to playing. It's definitely an intriguing instrument based on the description.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.